Controls for your central heating and hot water are found next to the control panel, just above the fridge. Press the center dial once to operate the controls. Scroll through the options by turning the same center dial. To turn on the heating, push the center dial in to select. Turn the dial clockwise until you reach your desired temperature, and push the dial in again to select. For your water heating, turn the dial clockwise to select the temperature. Select 40 degrees for washing up or general washing. Select 60 degrees if you're planning on using the shower, so that you can mix it with the colder water, giving yourself a larger volume of warm water. If using the heating and the hot water at the same time, selecting Boost will simply turn off the heating in order to heat the water quicker. When just heating the water, the boiler takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes to get to the optimum temperature. If you also have the heating on, it can take around 80 minutes or so. You'll need to select your power source. If you're without mains electric hookup, select gas. If you do have electric hookup, select either L1 for 1 kilowatt or L2 for 2 kilowatt, depending on which supply you're receiving from the campsite or generator. The final option is the fan for heating or air circulation. This turns on the fan to circulate warm or unheated air around the motorhome. Be aware that if you don't have an external power source, this will deplete your leisure battery fairly quickly. To ensure continuous use of the heating system, an external power source is recommended. It's worth noting that due to the location of the external heating vent, the motorhome is fitted with a micro safety switch for the boiler, which is located on the passenger side window in the bedroom. This window will need to be closed for the sensor to allow the boiler to work.